Hello everyone, welcome to Trading with Fun. So today has been a very bad day in the market. Not only in Indian market but all over the global indices as well. And Nifty fell 400 plus points and Sensex 1400 plus points. So you can all see this is the intraday chart of the Nifty 5 minutes, and I gave an alert at this level around 1360, 13,640 levels on my Twitter saying that Nifty is looking pretty bad. And later from that level, Nifty fell below 13,200. It went up to 13,150 from where it took a pullback, little pullback. So Nifty fell almost 500 points from the time I sent the alert. Even it was a kind of surprise and shocking for me as well. I didn't expect such a big fall. So, what are the main reasons behind this fall? Let's first look at the reasons. So, the main reason is you can see here a new and faster transmitting strain of the virus is found in the UK now. The main issue with this new virus or the new mutated version of the COVID virus is this is more infectious, like it spreads more faster than the existing one. So that is the main issue with this. And again, the cases are increasing all over the world in US and UK, and UK is again going into the lockdowns. And even India is stopping flights from the UK, and lockdowns are increasing everywhere. So these are some of the reasons. And also we know that market has been continuously rising for the past 3-4 months, and this kind of a sharp pullback is expected. So it should not be a kind of shock to anyone. So the next question is, what's next? Is the bottom made today, or is Nifty going to fall further from here? So these things I'll be explaining in this video. Also, if it is the right time to buy stocks, if you're holding cash, or is it the right time to book profits and stay in cash? We'll look into those things. So let's see the daily chart of Nifty. So you can see this is today's candle. With one candle, almost 11 days of consecutive gains in Nifty have been taken out. That's very bad. No, and the main thing is the advance to decline ratio is also very bad today. Like almost 1600 stocks are in red, and only 140, 150 stocks are in green. That's a very severe damage. Now let's look at the support for the Nifty. So if you can see, Nifty had down day here, almost a decent big red candle you can say, but the low of the day was not broken, and Nifty kept on rising. One good thing, you can see a similar day again here, a very big red candle, and that low of that day has not been broken. See, even if you draw a trend line, or let's take a rectangle, you can see that low has not been breached, and again Nifty kept on rising without breaking that level. So now the important question is whether if today's low will be broken or not. So in case if today's low is not broken, in next 3 or 4 days, not necessarily tomorrow, in the next 3 to 5 days, if this low is not broken, because there is also an importance to this low. You can see this is the 50-day moving average, this thing. So the 50-day moving average is sorry, 20 days moving average. This pink curve is 20 days moving average. So this is 11,294. Nifty took the support today also at that 21 days moving average. So this is a very important level. So until this zone of, let me clearly give it. So this zone of 13,150, 13,150 to 13,170 zone is safe. That is, Nifty doesn't breach this zone, then we can assume that Nifty might start moving up again. But if this zone of 13,150 to 13,160 is broken, then the next support till where Nifty can fall is the 50 days moving average. So the 50 days moving average is here. Here. It is at 12,590 levels. So you can say 12,600 to 12,650 levels Nifty can fall. And let's draw another trend line as well. So you can see even this trend line is coinciding with the 50 days moving average. So it's a very strong support zone. So in case if today's low, or if the today's low and the 21 days moving average support of 13,150 to 13,160 levels is broken in next 3 or 4 days, then there will be another 500 to 600 points fall up to 12,600 levels, and you have to wait at that level and see if there are any doji formations or if Nifty is taking support at that level. So we will again analyze in case if it Nifty falls to that level. So the main important things which you need to remember is today's low should not be broken. If it's broken, then expect a fall till 12,600. If not, Nifty might consolidate for 3 or 4 days and might start moving up again. So if you're already fully invested and if you are in very good gains, then I suggest to book some 25 to 30% of your holdings and keep some cash. If you're already having 25 to 30% cash, then wait for 3 or 4 more days. Let Nifty give some more hints whether it will go up or it will go down, and based on that you can deploy your cash. If you're fully invested and you invested most of this amount in the last 1 week to 10 days, I know you will be in very big loss. So I suggest to close at least 50 to 60% positions and keep that cash. I know it will be a tough decision to close all those positions in loss, but that would be the wise choice given the current market circumstances. So finally, I'm repeating again, watch for these are spot levels, not futures, so don't forget them. Watch for 13,150 to 13,170 level on Nifty for the next 3 to 4 days. If it takes supports there and bounces back, then fine. If it breaks that, then a fall till 12,600 is expected. So these are my views on Nifty. So if you had followed me on Twitter or Telegram, I had given an indication that market is weak at almost 12,600 levels. So if anyone had long positions, they would have got the alert and closed them. So in case if you want to get such live alerts, you can follow me on Twitter or on Telegram. I have provided both the links in the description box of the video. So these are my overall views on the Nifty. If you have any further questions, you can comment below the video. I'll definitely reply to them. Thank you.